Hey guys, Dishne here, and today I'm going to be showing you my brand new applique that I added to my collection. So an applique is a piece of material that has some design on it that you can add to anything, whether it's a regular shirt like this, a nightgown, an evening gown, a party dress, a prom dress, a wedding dress, whatever it is that you want to add it to. So for today, I'm featuring this lovely piece. So this is a beautiful applique. It is on the sheer material, some can call it tulle. So the pattern is a little slanted as it is trying to give a little bit of curvature, you know. So let me bring this a little closer. Okay, as you can see, it has some small beads embedded within the pattern. It also has some sequin portions as well. It is very beautiful, super shiny, super simple, and it is so cute. Let me see, I can rotate it around so you can see how beautiful it is. Look at that glisten, look at that shine. This is so lovely. Now this could go on anything, you know, but I would think you'd like that nice little, you know, that one shoulder and come down right at the bust. You will look so nice. Listen,